we doing today, girls? So we're turning their castle, toy castle, into a bird feeder. So they're taking bird food out of the bag and putting it into the castle. Here they are, filling up their castle house with bird food. That's how it looks like. You girls having fun?
Yeah.
Say yeah! This is our other bird feeder that Uncle Hank gave us. It has lots of bird food in there and seeds in there already. And the birds have been coming out to eat. If you look up here, there's actually a bird's nest up hidden in here somewhere. Let me see if I can get a good shot. Can you see it? You guys spy all the dry grass in the corner of our gazebo. And there's also another bird's nest up here on top already. You see that? There's a bird in there right now. I'm trying to just be bird friendly. Okay, girls, are we ready? Not yet? Okay, almost. We don't have to put all of it in there. Alright, let's go ahead and close it. Alright, see? So this is how it looks. So we can open this castle piece like this, see? Then the birds will come in back and eat it. Okay, so this is our plan. I'm gonna put it on this, try to hang it up on this hanger. Okay, so I've put 2 rubber bands on here like this. Then I'm gonna just attach it to the hanger. Okay, see? There, just like this. And then we are going to hang it up now. Okay, girls, don't know no more. Okay. Alright, so we're going to hang it up here so the bird can come and eat it. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. Ah! Oh no, a disaster. Okay, let me figure something out. Okay, so, girls, I think we put too much bird food in it. Okay, just like that. See? Just like that. It'll hang just like that. And birds will come eat it. Yay. Uh-oh. Too much mess, girls. We're going to have to clean it now. Okay. Alright, what do you say?
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thumbs up.
Bye-bye.
Thumbs up.
Bye-bye.
Thumbs up. No, up. Okay, this is how it looks like. I have it hung up there. There's this one. And then here's the princess one. So we'll see if they come out to eat it today.